We've had over 20,000 purchase orders even last year across about 6,000 different projects. We never would have seen any of that before we had Sage in place. Stark Tech is very focused on clean energy projects, energy optimization.
We have grown through acquisition. We put together over 20 different companies into this organization that we call Stark now.
Most companies, whether they do today or will soon, have large sustainability efforts. So Stark Tech is probably one of the only companies in the world that can not only create client solutions for our customers, but also execute all the work that's required.
Prior to having Sage, everything was heavily Excel-based. We had 17 legacy systems from these acquisitions.
Sage was a great opportunity for us to be the single source of record for our financial information, our customer information, operational data.
Sage has just been a lifesaver from just visibility to our processes.
We can provide very close to real-time data to our project teams on the status of every project across the enterprise. All the things that are operationally done in our business, we can see that in the data that comes from Sage Intacct.
We deployed Sage Intacct's construction module last April. That gives visibility and granularity for where our costs are in a project. It's invaluable to our project managers.
The data that lives in Sage Intacct really drives decisions that are made both on a day-to-day basis and for the future around how we manage our projects for our customers.
With Sage Intacct and the systems that we've implemented here, now we're to the point where we can really grow this company.
I have 2 kids. For them, I want them to see how something you're contributing to can actually make the world a better place. With the foundation that we have with Sage, I really feel like we can be ahead of the market and solve some of these challenging problems for our customers.